I've been back with another video. So I've been recently creating content for both my YouTube page, and I realized that I have neglected this one a bit. I have been trading privately lately. However, I wanted to show you guys some results, as well as my videos, my analysis, and everything that I do. Now, let me just say, I'm a price action trader. I go off of levels, the news, patterns. Yeah, that's basically how I trade. And I'm honestly just figuring out my strategy. Like, I'm putting two and two together in terms of my go-to strategy. And so far, my ace in the hole is the flag pattern, whether it be bearish or bullish flag pattern. That's the one that I've mastered. That's the one that I go with. That's my gut feeling. But I have some results to show you guys. It's supposed to be before this video, but things are going a bit left right now. Currently, I'm in two trades. I'm in the, I think it's the US 30 and what else I'm in? Let me check. Let me double check. I'm in US 30 and AUD USD. I think I saw a good setup on NZD USD, but I think I was late. Alright, so let me just tell you guys how I basically do it. So I have a set of rules that I have in my journal that I follow. I take trades based off the 4-hour and the 1-hour candlestick patterns. Now this is the 1-hour right now. This is the NZD USD. This is a good trade. However, I don't want to take it because it's not at a 618 level. I like to take my trades at the 618 level. I do believe it's gonna come all the way back down here. We'll see, but I'm really looking to take this down to the 0.55930 level. Now let me just start with my breakdown on how I do my work. Now I start with the daily first. I'm sorry, there's a lot of lines on this chart. Let's just get this out of the way. Alright, so we can see that we had a channel coming down, the NZD USD. It broke out, retested this area, and I think it's gonna come all the way back down to here. This is what's happening on the daily. So I think that we can be safe to say that NZD USD is coming straight back down, right? Because it just hit this high for this week, and I think it's coming straight back down to the 0.55934 range. All right, now I'm actually looking to hold this trade. I'm gonna place this trade right now. I don't know how I didn't enter this trade, to be honest. This is NZD USD. NZD USD. I don't know how I didn't enter this trade earlier. This is a good setup. And I'm just gonna enter it for 0.001 because we're managing our risk to reward. I'm looking to hold this trade all the way down to here or here. So I'm gonna put my stop loss above where the candle began, because I do believe that it will trace back. So let me just put that in real quick. Alright, so that in place, guys. I do believe that it's gonna come all the way down here, but in the meantime, let me show you that I actually entered the trade. We're currently down $10. That's no biggie. However, as I was saying, I took some trades earlier, and I'm gonna show you guys them. Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry guys, I took about 3 trades earlier. I'm not sure if I can find those setups again. However, I did screenshot a few of them, because I knew that when I came on TradingView I wouldn't be able to go back to the time frame because I have a lot going on. However, you guys can see that I actually do mark up my charts. I have my supply and my demand zones. I have my support and resistance levels. I have my arrows pointing to where I think the market is going. So these are just some of the things that I do on my trading chart. I'm at the, what is this? But now I'm in Gbp Nzd, and I just want to show you the trades because tomorrow I will actually be doing a continuation each day, and that's how I'll be doing my videos. I'll be marking up the charts from when I start, and then I'll tell you when I exit the trade or if I got stopped out or anything. So as you guys can see right now, I'm in the negative. I'm AUD USD. Let's look at that pair. Now, the reason why I did AUD USD is because I saw this, flag pattern. It wasn't the prettiest. It wasn't the best. I took it from here. I'm looking for it to go to the 618 level and come back down. However, I realized that there was massive resistance level right here at the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. So I put a zone there, and let's say that if the market retraces back up here, I'm going to take it. So it gave us this double top right here. Excuse me, let me just clear this up. It gave me this double top right here to say that it's gonna reverse. This is a sign. If anybody doesn't know, or double top pattern normally means that it's gonna give you a reversal. Now also, if you look closely, this is a flag pattern. This is the handle, and of course this is the flag coming straight across. Let me just, I want you guys to see clearly. Yeah, it might not be pretty, but it's actually a flag. You see, so it's that a flag, and it's kind of sideways movement. It's at this key area right here. So what I did was, when I entered this trade, I did the Fibonacci from previous highs to the lowest point 5, and then I put my stop loss at the 618 level, just a little bit above it. So just in case I get stopped out, I can say that, hey, it came up to here, because it can come up to here and then reverse. So I just put it right up here. I'm looking to take it all the way down to 0.63993. I will give you guys an update on that later. Now I'm in another market. Let's see. It's AUD US 30. Let's check out US 30. I typically don't trade US 30, but I saw this setup a while ago that I had to take. Even though this is not a flag pattern that I like to take, because this is a wedge actually. It looks like a wedge and it looks like a flag pattern, and it also looks like a triangle. But when you see the flag looking like this, it's normally a sign that there's going to be a market reversal. So right now I'm in this zone for US 30. My stop loss is about here. Drew my flag from about here. Again, market is at that 0.50. Typically these are not ideal flag patterns, because typical flag patterns come up to the 618 and then reverse. Those are the ones I take. Those ones are the 90%, and also I have my rules. Sorry, this is not it. I have my rules that I follow. Good trading should be effortless. Preparation is where the hard work team. I mean, you guys can have something like this. It's just a simple one for me. Rules that I follow to make sure that I'm continuing doing what I'm supposed to be doing and I'm not going out of my way. US 30 is playing with us right now, but that's fine. I still think it's gonna come all the way back down. If not, I get stopped out. It's fine. I have a very tight stop loss, being the highest week right here, so it probably be around $10-15. So let's see if we can do. So we're looking at about, this will be our risk to reward. It's 5.67. That's the risk to reward. So we're risking just the minimal this to get the reward of down here, and that's what I'm really looking for. Risk to reward of 5.5. Must be 3 and over for me. So, you know, just managing these trades, that's what it's all about. Now if I should look on another trade I'm in, I believe I'm in NZD USD. I'm in the NZD USD where I caught this a little bit. I'm kind of mad at this trade because this is I think this is the perfect flag pattern. Where's the handle? Yeah, this is it. You see that the first wick is that 618 got rejected. This is the key signal for me. Once I got that rejection from the first pullback right here, come down, come by that same 618 again second time. I know that it's a down movement and I'm expecting it to fall all the way off. As you can see, this is the NZD USD. It's also outside of the trend line, which means that it broke the trend. Sorry, let me go back to the daily. If you can look, it broke outside of the trend and it gave us that retest back of the trend line, and I think it's gonna come all the way back down to 0.55984. However, these big moves normally happen on most occasions. However, you guys should pay attention to the news. Now for, I think it's AUD USD, we have some news coming along at about 11:30. I'm predicting it to be bad news. Based on what the folder is saying, I'm predicting it to be bad news. However, I can be wrong, because I believe that once you're doing the price action, it goes along with the news a lot. So wait, my fault. I should be looking for AUD USD. My fault. Yeah, I believe the pattern is a downward pattern. As you can see, it's a downward flag, symbolize that it will come down. However, with the news, if the news is good, of course AUD will be getting that push to the upside. However, if it's bad, it's gonna tank all the way down to here in probably 10 minutes after the news. So that's the way I look for patterns, and I look for the news signal. Depends on what the news is, the move might happen a lot quicker than expected. Now, with that being said, I've already have a good stop loss put in place because, as I said, I like to take, trade with minimal risk. I know when I'm wrong, and then when I'm wrong, it's not by much. So what I do is I take my stop, my short here, and I'm looking to take all this reward, and my risk is right above the highest wick, which is right here. So I know that if it comes up to here, the risk is still 5.35 risk to reward ratio, which is pretty good because we're looking to get all this massive green right here and just risking this a little bit right here. So I think those are the type of trades that I like to take. It's secure, it's safe. Yeah, so that's just how I trade. Tomorrow I'll be giving you an update as to the results for this video. So yeah, just keep watching.